oh, I know I'm not happy, but I know I will be happy when I get married. Niet. Go talk to the married people. They will tell you the truth. If you're not happy single, you're not going to be happy married. Now, what I want you to know is that there are many times when we wait for a season to change. Don't just wait for a season to change. See what in your mind and your heart can change first. You can't change a lot, but you can change some things. And when you change something, it changes everything. Not every circumstance will change, but your destiny will unfold. And if I was never born to be a speaker, I would have been something else.